Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today we will analyze the trading session of Bank Nifty for the 10th of May. Today's session was quite interesting for both bulls and bears. The reason behind is because the early session was totally uh, devoted by bears, which you can see here. It's all started with a gap up initially, but the gap up was not sustained for long, and bears pulled the market drastically towards 42,800. 42,800 was the level given by me yesterday for the downside. So it reached there, and there was a trend reversal from 42,800 to again above the 43 levels here, and the session continued above 43 for the rest of the day. The quite surprise move was this downside trajectory, which you can see. It was not expected, but to see the sentiments and the writings that has been done by the call writers was was weighted very high in terms of volumes. So they really had to pull the market for some time. So they tried to pull there, they booked the profit and exited here. The put writers were very strong at the 4800 levels, so they managed to pull back the market again above 43,000 here. Tussle was going on for some time. They tried to pull the market back towards below 43,000 level, but they failed to do so. And again, uh, the global cues helped Bank Nifty to recover from the day's loss, and also uh, made Bank Nifty to reach the level where it started initially in the day. 43,300 and 43,500, the two levels which I gave for the upper sides, are very important to go above all-time high, which is of 42,150. You can see here. So Bank Nifty is still at the pivot level, and Bank Nifty indicates that maybe you won't be able to see a good buying trajectory in this sessions, 2 3 sessions, but definitely there is a scope of uh, to reach to the all-time high. So this again I'm certain and predicting will see very soon in the upcoming days. Anyways, so uh, we try to take some position here, and we kept the stop loss of 42,700, somewhere around here, and it exactly went there and went, then returned in the upward movement. So we booked some profits here and made some cash profit in the morning session. A bit busy after that, so not took the call side any position. But I was pretty much sure that this will again go above 43,000 level, and it went accordingly. So the outcome of today's session is again neutral. But Bank Nifty is currently not in a zone of buying or selling. It's lying exactly at the pivot level, and tomorrow is expiry. So for what we can expect for expiry, global cues is suggesting again that movement could be a flat, and the reason behind is that we have already seen so much of things in the past 2-3 days, and the movement towards upside is can be seen based on some news which will come in 2 or 3 days time. So I am pretty much sure that this will again go above 43,500 and will reach 44 180 or maybe 44 200 in a 2 to 3 weeks time. For tomorrow, expiry is there, so the main levels again will be the same which we discussed from past few sessions, and these levels again will be the same. 43,500 43,300 is our base level. Sorry, 43,000 will be our base level. 43,300 will be our first target, which is achieved as of now, and 43,500 and 43 for tomorrow. 43,700 is the limit, max limit, and if it breaches that, then definitely we'll see 44,000 maybe tomorrow itself. So we'll wait and confirm it tomorrow. On the downside, again 43,000 is very crucial level, which is our base level. 43,000 if again maintained well tomorrow, then definitely a buy side rally will come in maybe next week. If it breaches again tomorrow, then again the levels will be same: 42,800, 42,600, 42,400. So till support 4 you can uh, expect on the downside, and for upside there are chances of 43, 3, 400, 600 and 800 for tomorrow. If at all there is a range bound session, which mostly writers try to keep to get the premiums from both the sides, then there will be a chances that Bank Nifty will move around 43 to 300 range tomorrow. So this will be the levels for tomorrow, and uh, we'll take some position for the expiry, and we'll try to get some big profit tomorrow. Let's see if we can achieve it or not. So till then, keep liking and sharing my videos, and do subscribe if you have not done so, and also ask others to subscribe my channel. Thank you so much.